that's nuts, Millie.
21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. Then 21, can you do something for me? 21. Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me?
That's nuts, Millie.
Let's get it. I bought for 16, passing the ditch of D5. I know this not a challenger. Big one. I get some members with me in the fridge. Get cold seats, they some cannibals. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. She took a look, mixing with the chill out. Now she say she seeing 3D. I go in the jungle and they got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this for the fam, cause this bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity lane. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like some cash, some corners. All these comers, I will from me go gunners. Not the jump, me lying off. Nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Short top feeling like stunner. Cat D play, no runners. Call my wallet, take my wallet. 33 fly to the tropics. Nigga, one I was outside just serving narcotics. Yeah, pat me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just popping. Baby, I'm broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamond be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch a dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and GC the party. She gon' trend on the top. Keep the way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Put this shit on, get a cup of this drip. I'm a motherfucking 5 kilo. Keep stacking your finger, get bigger. Never will I throw some shit on no nigga. I'll tell you, little nigga don't play with these niggas.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Hey girl, hey. I'm speaking kind of low because it's the morning and me and all my roommates are working. I should have been working a long time ago or started working a long time ago, but we're not gonna talk about me. If you guys don't know me, my name is Tracy, so you can follow me on my socials, all that stuff. Don't forget to interact with me because I like seeing you guys on TikTok. Well, I'm trying to grow my TikTok and then Instagram and stuff, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me on this day because I got a lot to do today. Fun things that, you know, later on. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make my breakfast now. A lot of you guys know that I'm on my health journey. Either way, this is something that I used to eat all the time because my grandma used to make it. So it's gonna be an egg white sandwich and some potatoes. Maybe the potatoes. I have no idea because potatoes kind of take more time, so we'll see. To go eat, and I just wanted to be a head ass and show my frother. So I'm being real because I did not need to froth that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my work laptop on and then I'm just gonna eat. It wasn't that good. It was not that good. Egg white sandwich, don't say I didn't tell y'all. It's currently 8:14. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, I got my work laptop because, you know, we got YouTube, but we gotta pay the bills. We have to pay the bills weekly. So this is my weekly job. Partially work from home, partially going in the office. So I'm office bae too, period. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna give too much away about my job because that's restricted information. Hopefully I finish my work around a certain time so that I can go ahead and start doing other things that I need to do. Cue the montage of me on my laptop. back from work, guys. Got Bring It On playing in the background because honestly, which one is y'all's favorite? Side note, All or Nothing, Shabuya, Shabuya, bro. That's my favorite, period. And Christina Milian too, that one. Forgot which one that was. Today very much drained me. I had a lot of work to do. So it is currently like 1:24. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my, you know, getting cute process for this little day. Around this time, I'll be going to the gym, but because I did a workout yesterday and I went in, so if you guys want to know, I basically did like full body, but I focused on quads and glutes yesterday, and boy, my legs. Oh, and I focused on abs too, because we're trying to get that. I'm trying to get a flat stomach. Very sorry that you won't be seeing any gym content in the day of my life, because y'all know, especially if you come from my Instagram, y'all know my fitness journey and how I go to the gym every day. But today you will not be seeing me in the gym because I gotta get ready. And then I also have to film TikToks and stuff. So yeah, this is like a content day slash, you know, I really am gonna go out on a date. I just wanted to go ahead and of course show you guys to get ready with me, pick my clothes and stuff, my fragrance of the day, all of that. So I do need to shower first. Now I would do a shower routine, but if you know, you know, shower routines take forever ever, and I cannot. Like, shower routine I uploaded on my YouTube channel, y'all, that took me 3 hours to film. Gotta make sure the camera don't get wet, and it's just so many moving parts. I ain't got time. So yeah, I would show that, but I'm just gonna tell you I'm about to take a shower and I'll be back, and we're gonna, you know, do makeup together and whatnot. So
That's nuts, Billy.
Let go. No time for bad energy. More life and it's more money in my life today. God on my side today. Can't decide, oh. Whether it's the honey and nice. Can't decide, oh. Whether the we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. So what she sent to me, she said me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood, I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on B-side and Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah. Anywhere me go, know the gang go. Been long since I reached back home. Remember days you was on the back row. Still a lot of places that we can go. Yes, I know. Might just pick up my bags and go. I need to roll. Can't do what they say anyways. Think twice before you play me. Say yeah when you've been late. Lately you've been acting crazy. Shady, I can tell who's shady. Hate me but still rate me. Maybe it must be maybe, or maybe I must be crazy. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood, I'm in the bigger mood.
I'm done with my face. All I need to do is put on eyelashes because I look naked. Then I'm going to put on my lippy. And then we're gonna pick out the fit and the fragrance. So first off, this lip combo gotta show y'all because what? Pretty. Now it has come time to the part where we pick the fit, fragrance, all of that. Definitely just texted me like not too long ago saying that he was on the way about, oh, he said he was on my way to me. Y'all, I gotta hurry the, oh my God, he said that like 15 minutes ago. Hold on, I'm about to cry. I don't even have no clothes on. Child, he is 32 miles away. For today's fit, I knew I wanted to save like the more pop color pieces for my haul. Not my haul, but like my TikTok video that I'm gonna do. I'm not sure, depending on the weather too. I have like a bunch of, I have more on my bed, but these are like, you know, some of the little items or whatever that I have from Shein that I need to film the TikTok with, which I will do today when I get back from my date. Definitely thinking about a little sweater. Like, look at this, this is so cute. Like, it literally says, I think it says way to go on it, with like some black leather pants, or I'm not gonna lie, this she's kind of cute. This is a sweater dress. It's like fitted, like it's cinched in the waist, and it's like, I kind of like this. I feel like this is the one. I feel like this is her, she is me. How would I accessorize this though? Do I have shoes? I'm gonna see what I have to go with this, and then we'll reconvene, because when I don't know the accessories, then if I don't have the accessories to pair a cute fit, then it's not gonna work. But this, when I tell you I got y'all on this TikTok video, I have some cute items in there. Like, look at this fitted sweater dress for the winter. Enough said. Y'all make sure to follow me on TikTok, because y'all are gonna see. I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna figure out like the accessories and stuff, and I'll come back with the outfit on, or shoot, whatever I decide. Okay. How are we feeling about the fit? We see the body. Y'all, my body is just getting more and more snatched, so love that. Let's put on some gold jewelry. Got these bags from this place called, I think it's like Lenova, I don't know, I forgot the brand name. I will put it in the description box. Dupe for those bags, those designer bags that have like the mirror on it, and like super cute. So put it in the description box if you guys want. You know, I have one in black and I have this tan color, so I figured the tan is really cute. I know it's kind of boring, but I didn't want to do a pop of color. I always do like a green bag with a tan, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I do a different color with something, and I figured why not just play on the colors. And I definitely want to show you guys my fragrance. So Dossier always comes in clutch. Favorite fragrance for this month, specifically in January, is Musky Musk, and it's the dupe to Juliet Has a Gun. If you guys ever smell Juliet Has a Gun in Sephora, chef's kiss. This smells just like it. I got so many compliments on this perfume, like when somebody hugged me and they were like, or just passed by, you smell good. Yeah, this is that girl. There's no top notes, but there's, the middle notes are Cetalox, ISO E Super, base notes are Musks and Habanera. Child, definitely get Musky Musk. I will leave this in the description box for you guys, so that but yeah, this is the fragrance that I'm wearing for tonight, period. Literally just texted me saying he was 10 minutes away about 3 minutes ago. I will take you guys with me, of course. See you guys in a minute.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Hey guys, so I am back from the date. As you can see, I look kind of tired. My makeup look kind of worn, but it's okay. I had a very good time. Definitely always a vibe. At the arcade place, so funny, but like at that place, we literally saw the do you have a wristband? we saw that man, him and his friends, obviously, but like I was too scared to walk up to him. I was not gonna do it. I'm sorry. I'm too scared. So, personally, I feel like any people on TikTok or like famous people on TikTok, it's like they were just fighting. But any people that you like see on social media, like in public, like I feel like they don't want to be bothered or bombarded with like, oh hey, can you like, you know, hey, like can I take a picture with you? Like sometimes people just want to chill and they just look like they were on that like I just want to chill vibe. So if you guys want more videos like this, then definitely thumbs this video up and don't forget to watch the TikTok of the outfits and on, you know, obviously on my TikTok. So yeah, love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.